The goddess of magic and power, and to the left side, this is the god both sides is god of the afterworld. And in the middle, we can see Tatmos the third in the form of the god Horus, god of protection. And also here, you can see this is one of the offerings, as you see here, like some grains and seed which were gifted to the god, and also from meat. Okay.
Àwọn free yẹn.
Àwọn owó tó ń máa ń ná ní ayé ìgbà yẹn ṣètìrí wa. Ṣètìrí àwọn owó kan ná ní ayé ìgbà. Ṣètìrí.
On the back side of the temple, we can see here one of the most greatest battles in ancient Egyptian history. This is called the Battle of Kadesh. It dates back to the reign of the Pharaoh Ramses II, as we see here, who was in his chariot and defeating the Syrian tribes, as we see here, the Syrian troops. After so many years of clashes and tension between the two nations, finally, after negotiation between them, they decided together to put an end to the war. So they signed. Yes, so they signed a treaty between them, and it was the first.
Okay, this is the sign, the symbol that separates the war, right?
Yeah.
Between who and who?
Between who and who?
Yeah, between Moses and Pharaoh, right?
Between the Ramses II, the Pharaoh, and the Hittite tribes, some of the Asian tribes.
Tribe.
Okay.
True.
Second Pharaoh. What's the name of the
Pharaoh.
second Pharaoh?
Ramses II.
What is that?
Second.
Yes, that is it.
Okay.
Ya gbogbo ọkọ̀ ojú omi tó ń rí yẹn baby girl.
Well, we can see here, this is the Rosetta Stone.
What do you call it?
Rosetta Stone. As we see
Rosetta
here,
Stone?
this is the city in Egypt.
Okay.
Okay, and this is the stone here where they found the stone during the French campaign against Egypt in 1797. And the French soldiers,
1797.
They demolished, they destroyed the English Navy, managed to destroy the castle where the French soldiers just inhabited. And after destroying the castle, one of the soldiers ran away. His name is Bouchard.
Bouchard.
Yes, ran away.
And
on his way out, he found the stone. He gave it to the French scientist.
Who found the stone?
Yes, Bouchard.
Bouchard.
Yeah, the French soldier. He gave it to the French scientist, and they made the researches on the stone, and they found that there were two ways of writing and the old Greek language. Two ways of writing. The first way here, the hieroglyphic. This is called the hieroglyphic. It means the holy writing. And in the middle here, this is the Demotic way of writing for the common people would use to speak. And the last one, as I told you, this is the old Greek language. There was the French scientist, his name was called Francois Champollion. Champollion managed to read the old Greek language because he spoke this language.